it to Asakusa. Ivan took 6 flights of stairs. We were just at the Skytree. That's like a beer can. And that's like, it looks like a giant sperm. But then we're going right over there. That's where we're going.
You'll see it when we're over there.
There's supposed to be a festival going on all of today in Asakusa, so I'm expecting it to be super busy. We'll see if we can walk around. This is my favorite part of town. Just gonna walk here right now.
So if you want, we actually doing like estamos haciendo un paseo con cabeza. Chingón.
Yeah.
And have you seen the Golden Building?
Yes.
Looks like Golden Beer, right?
Right.
It's like a beer company headquarters.
Oh, okay.
Asahi Beer.
Okay.
Looks like Kagama.
He told us that he spent some time in Mexico, so his Spanish was really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No hay blanca.
Sí, hablamos.
Gracias. Así que con cabeza se puede disfrutar la zona sin caminar, pero hoy mucha gente, pero tenemos fiesta, pero con cabeza se puede disfrutar los lugares donde no hay turismos. Hasta esta zona mucha gente.
Sí.
Arriba no hay mucha gente. Y puedes filmar GoPro.
Oh yeah.
No hay blanca.
It would be cool. He was nice.
He's so sweet. That boy spoke English, French, and Spanish. Yeah, on his name tag it says what he speaks.
His Spanish is good.
He's like a kawama, and I'm like, oh shit, this boy knows.
Because not only does he speak Spanish, he fucking knows.
Not only.
Oh, you know what? I realized I was recording the entire time by accident. Today's the Golden Dragon dance going on. There's a crowd of people. Hopefully we can get over there to see it. That's why we came on Sunday today, because of that. And I think we caught the last performance of it, because then they're heading out. I think we came at a really good time. And also there's a corgi right there.
Oh my god. Damn! We gotta follow him. That's where the luck is.
Overall, a really good day. Asakusa is really good for street food too. There's shops like this everywhere you go.
Don't take all of it.
Mine.
Leave some love for the rest of us.
I mean, what if your simple strength broke it? It was a fair question because earlier that day he kidnapped a woman and climbed the Skytree. It took a bunch of planes to get him down. He's been leaving a trail of destruction everywhere we go since we got here.
I'm gonna rub. Thank you, sir.
Oh,
Oh,
we just had ramen. Now we're gonna do some more souvenir shopping, but weighing about 20 pounds more. Don Quixote did it to us again. I spent $71 for these 2 bags. My budget was $50 for the rest of the day. I was at the register, and before they started scanning any food,
You were sweating.
I started sweating because my budget hit before they started scanning food. But luckily jam was right behind me and I had to borrow $10, so that was really nice. And now our Wi-Fi is dead and I gotta find a currency exchange to pay her back. Asakusa is my favorite part of town. It's where you can experience the traditional side of Tokyo. There's also lots of places to eat and really good place to buy souvenirs. Make sure you subscribe to keep up with more of our Tokyo videos.